Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's IONIQ N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your IONIQ N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. The N Race feature maximizes battery resources to help you achieve the fastest possible laps overall. It can only be activated when the motor mode is set to Sport Plus. And it cannot be activated if any of the following functions or settings are active: N battery preconditioning, cruise control or smart cruise control, or manual speed limit. To activate it, go to N mode and select N Race to turn it on. When activated, you have two choices of modes. You can choose the mode on the Performance Options menu. Endurance mode will limit the top speed to 150 miles per hour and will reduce maximum output by 10% to preserve range. Sprint mode prioritizes power without any limit to top speed or power. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using N Race. N Race should only be used on a dedicated racetrack. N Race maximizes cooling for the battery and motor to optimize performance. As a result, noise and vibration may increase, and climate control system performance may be degraded when N Race is active. Frequent use of N Race may reduce battery durability. Finally, it is recommended to use N battery preconditioning's track mode to optimize the battery temperature before using N Race. See the N battery preconditioning video for more information on this feature. For more information on the features of your IONIQ N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the IONIQ N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.